Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And this is what's new. The end of my financial journey. I am currently doing my taxes. I've been doing my taxes for the past 19 years. Yeah, 19 years, and I've been using TurboTax to do it. And I've been happy with them. I've had no problems. Everything is explained right there. And through the years, they're finding different ways to help you get your taxes done. And this year, they've actually added live tax advice. Actual, CPA accountants on demand now. All you do is call them. There is of course, a fee for their advice to help you get through it, because they'll go right on in there. They'll take control of your computer, and you just tell them. Ask them a question, and then they'll help you fill it out. Or you can go the other route, which has always been community. You got a question, put it up on the community board, and then the answer will come back to you in your email. Well, I thought I was all done, and because with the fact that I've been closing down 2 other businesses and opening a new one and leaving it at that, I had to change things around. I had to drop some stuff, and come to find out, when I was doing the vehicle mileage, the vehicles that I had in there were still in the other one, and the mileage wound up pretty high, and I needed to bring that down. So when I finally brought those vehicles out of the those other companies, somehow or other, everything cleared. But then I went to go ahead and check out. It was all done. And when I did that, it said, well, we have to check one other thing. So when I went back to click on it, it kept telling me that the mileage parameter was out of context, or out of their range, or something of that nature. But it wouldn't tell me which vehicle. It wouldn't tell me out of which business. So I shut everything down. I waited, and come back in, signed back in, went right through the process all over again, which means you're signing out now. You need your driver's license. You need all that. You need to sign all your, electronically sign all your stuff, and then go ahead and click file, electronic file. And it kept bringing me back to that, checking that one, but it wouldn't tell me what it was. So finally, I went back in, and I went under the community side, punched in. Well, I got my reply this morning that some mileage parameters are not being registered because they're so high in their system, and that they said the corrective action was being taken, and which would be final today. It just happens to be 2/9/2018. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm on my way back through to see if everything is cleared and I can actually file now. So we'll wait and see. But I've been with them for 19 years now, and I've never had I've never had a glitch, and it was probably my fault because I was trying to clear the mileage from this business, and because I got 3 big businesses that I've been business filing on for all this time, and I'm under self-employed, and I've never really had any issues until last night when I tried to finally file. And this is kind of doing the taxes has gotten me out of my editing routine for my business. So we're gonna find out here in a few minutes. And I'll just go. Might as well just go ahead and do the steps. Okay. Okay. I hope, because I spent it. I spent a lot of time working on this thing, trying to get it done, and all of a sudden I get this glitch. I want to e-file. Here we go. All right, now I gotta put in my driver's license. Okay, no, I'm good. Okay. Everything was saved from the other night. Okay. Refund processing service. Yes, yes, yes. Continue. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. Refund processing fee is $39.99, and TurboTax fee is $126.98, and for that, okay, we agree, because if you're going joint, you're going to have both of you doing that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, original name. Okay. Leave it there. Oh, okay. Gotta put it the same day as the day, even though I did it yesterday. Yeah, alright. Yes, I agree. It's good. I'll make sure it's catching on. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Federal form 89.99. State 39.99, and max assistance and defense 59.99. Optional pay. Having it sent directly to your account is $39.99. So total cost is going to be $226.96. Thing is, to claim it, you gotta it's gotta be over $300. Got me on that one. But anyway. Alright. Okay, you gotta have your, automatic comes up with the 5-digit signature IDs. You need all that now to get it sent in. Okay. Oh, your births are correct. Right. Okay. And your mobile phone. And I'll get text updates. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay. Let's say finalize your return. Finalizing your return. Transmitting your returns. Alright. Well, I'm surprised. I guess it cleared everything. Alright. You did it. Alright, you just e-filed your taxes. Alright. And how likely do you recommend TurboTax to a friend? 10. I recommend that you do your own taxes. Alright. Okay. And the other thing is, they got the QuickBooks Self-Employed. So it's great because it automatically tracks your mileage, and then at the end of it, you just click it down as personal or business, and at the end of the year, you've already got it all set up. You can also track your receipts. You can take pictures of your receipts, or you got it set up within your bank account, so it automatically, every time you do a transmission within your bank account, you just click it off the side, business or personal, business, personal, and at the end of the year, you got it all right there. So and I highly recommend that as well. All right, so I guess we're all set. Oh man, that's great. That's off my mind. All right, thanks for watching. Definitely comment and definitely subscribe. And the countdown's coming down to us creators making any income from YouTube, and because we got to get our 1,000 subscribers, and I would say about 90% of us are all under the 1,000, or under the 1,000 mark there. So I'm still not sure how that's going to affect YouTube, because they're not going to have the platforms to advertise. And there's got to be videos out there for them to advertise. So I can see where they're coming from with, you got individuals who they want to put 1 or 2 videos up, and all of a sudden it goes viral, and now, YouTube's got to pay for 1 or 2, videos. And they've only got, a couple of advertisers on that video, but that's the way it's gonna be. So, all right, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and definitely subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's Vlogs.